Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. On this Independence Day, I want to reflect briefly on the difference between the freedoms that we enjoy as Americans and the freedom that we have as Christians. We should always be grateful for the blessings of freedom that we enjoy as Americans. At the same time, it's important to remember that the American idea of freedom is fundamentally a freedom from. It is a freedom from tyranny and oppression, a freedom from tyranny that allows us to have my own life, our own lives, our life, our liberty, and our pursuit of happiness. The Christian notion of freedom, even though it is complementary to the American notion, is quite a bit different. Because at its root, the Christian notion of freedom is a freedom to rather than a freedom from. It is a freedom to love one another. It is a freedom to surrender our lives to God. It is a freedom to commit ourselves to each other in love and charity and justice. So even though the American idea of freedom and the Christian idea of freedom do complement each other, they are at their roots quite different. Today, we celebrate on this 4th of July the great gift of our freedom as American citizens. We thank God for them and we celebrate them. At the same time, we celebrate every day our freedom as Christians, our freedom to love God and our freedom to love our neighbor as ourselves. Thank you. Have a great and safe 4th of July today.